Questions about a viral lung cleaning device AirPhysio. What is AirPhysio? AirPhysio is a safe and effective device that helps clear mucus from your lungs and increases lung capacity. It is FDA-registered and drug-free, which makes it a preferable choice for anyone looking to breathe easier. The innovative device has been used in hospitals for years and is now available to the public through limited stock. After just a few days of use, you will no longer need to rely on an inhaler, Albuterol, to clear your lungs every 4 hours. Can AirPhysio help my respiratory condition? AirPhysio's FDA-compliant medical design is highly effective towards a variety of respiratory-related conditions. This strong recommendation comes from doctors and pulmonologists, as AirPhysio is effective for treating symptoms for the following conditions: asthma, COPD, smoker's cough, bronchiectasis, cystic fibrosis, emphysema, pneumonia, and many more respiratory diseases. Despite that there are no known side effects associated with AirPhysio treatment, always consult your doctor before using this health-improving brand. What type of symptoms will it help with? AirPhysio over time has the ability to help with the following issues: wheezing, difficulty sleeping, a sore throat, chest congestion, coughs that produce phlegm, and respiratory infections. AirPhysio is so effective you will be able to feel it working the very first time you use it. As quickly as overnight, your lungs may become noticeably clearer. The more you use them, the stronger and healthier your lungs will become. After using AirPhysio once, you'll start to see why our customers describe it as life-changing. Are there any side effects? AirPhysio is completely safe to use, as there are no known side effects. AirPhysio uses air to accelerate your body's natural process of removing nasty buildup from your airways. This process is done without steroids, chemicals, or toxins. AirPhysio's FDA-compliant medical-grade design has gone through extensive testing in order to make sure it is both safe and effective. This is another reason why so many doctors and pulmonologists recommend its use. Is AirPhysio safe to use? Yes, it's completely safe and is FDA compliant. Doctors and pulmonologists recommend AirPhysio because of how safe it is. It's all natural, meaning there are no harmful chemicals, toxins, or steroids, so there are no known side effects. This is why 80,000 people use AirPhysio to help them breathe better and improve their quality of life. How often can I use AirPhysio? Optimal use can vary by person depending on your needs, but generally, for the best results, we recommend using AirPhysio a few times a day. Those who keep up with it and use it regularly should expect to see drastic improvements in their ability to breathe and overall lung health/strength over time. Can AirPhysio be used by children? Yes, AirPhysio can be effectively used by children aged 4 and up. Anyone with the ability to take instruction and the lung capacity to blow a standard ball bearing can benefit from using the equipment. All AirPhysio devices come with a child-resistant cap to protect youngsters from unauthorized disassembly.